Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to write automation in Pro Tools. So automation allows you to record changes to volume, pen and plugin settings over time. You can either draw it with the mouse or record it live using a fader. So on each track header you will see button that says read by default. So right here you see this green uh, text right here. It says read by default. Click to change the mode. Now here you will see that we have bunch of modes. So we have write, so record automation for everything as soon as you hit play. This is a little bit danger. It overrides existing data. Then we have, for example, touch only records when you click, hold a fader. When you let go, the fader snaps back to its original position. So this one is best for quick fixes. Then we have latch, same as touch, but when you let go, the fader stays where you left it until you stop playback. So if you prefer to draw your volume or pen changes, you can change the track view. So you will see here where you see this red read button. Up here you will see another button where it says waveform. Now if you want to uh, prefer to draw, just go here and click volume, just like that. Or also you can select mute or pen. So the waveform will turn gray and black line will appear, just like that. Now you can add breakpoints also. So on Mac hold CMD, on Windows click Control, and then just click on these black lines. As you can see, now I have added three dots, nodes. Now I can click and drag those nodes however I like, as you can see. Also, if you want the pencil tool, you can press F10. So yeah, I hope this. Okay, so automation plugins. You can. Yeah. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the